Hi kids, today we're playing this shooting game. Level 1, play. Okay, there's my shooting. That's me shooting these guys. We need to shoot these guys.
You okay?
If those guys get me, that means I lose. Get out of here. Look at me, I have dire. Wow, this is so cool. It's like the best game ever. Best game ever.
Hit that X.
Oops. Look at me, I'm new. I win, kids. Kids, guess what? I just won. Level 2. Okay, that looks good. Okay, kids. This is not... Okay, kids. So, there's my shooter thing. 5 levels. Ooh, get out here. I don't like these ones. These guys are the worst. Ow. X. Ryu. No. Stop. Dad, she said stop. Am I just going? I died. Kids, this is a cool game. Ow. Okay, kids, let's do this. Okay. I'm playing this one. What? What's this? I cannot do this. Now what does this say? I can't do it.
Please pass 3 levels in campaign mode first before you do those.
Look at this campaign mode.
No.
Okay. So that's my number 3 one, but that level 2 is bad. No, the best is me.
Oh, why?
Dad, stop. Play the level 1 again. I really want it. Look, I got a new ship, kids. Oh, I need to buy it. Dad, can I buy this or not?
No.
No? Oh,
Can't buy anything.
I cannot buy anything. Oh, I have this.
Because it costs a bunch of money. You know? $5.
I'll buy it.
But we don't have $5.
Oh, power?
Like real. Wait, hold on.
Play.
There you go.
We can play with these ones. Did you know?
I didn't know.
What?
Oh, you can practice with them a little bit. Hold on, let me see something.
Oh.
Oh, you can get one of these. Wait, power. You can get one of those. They only cost 1,000 coins. You got 2,000 coins.
This one. Let me shoot with this one. This is a practice one.
Whoa.
This one is cool. Pew pew.
It just takes them out.
Just takes them out.
Pew pew.
Pew pew. Down with the pew. I don't like you. Level 3. Oh,
Pew,
those
pew.
are laser guys. Get out of here, laser shoot. Ah, miss me. Yeah, break open. Yeah, break. Ugh. How did that even catch me? This one. We're going to do this one. Play. Well, look at kids. That one shoots out tires. Look at this one, kids. This one's super crazy. No, me. Dad,
Why?
stop. She doesn't watch it. Dad, she doesn't watch it. Stop.
Okay. She had a birthday party today, didn't she? Did you have a birthday party today?
No.
Why are you in a bad mood? You run away?
Stop doing that.
Okay, bye.
Okay, let's go do this one. Pirate ship. I don't like that because that distracts me. Yeah, break all of these.
Don't run into the bowl.
Bryn,
Don't be destructive.
have that.
Bye, Bryn. You gonna go someplace else? You gonna play iPad in your car? Oh.
I died. Let's do that. Kids, look at this one. This one's so cool. So let's try the new one I did not try. Okay, kids.
Yeah. Yeah, Briggs, what's up?
Dad, stop doing that.
Oh, sorry.
So we're going to try out the new ship. Because we're going to try out this ship. Oh, this ship is cool. So, how do I get it? Pew.
Kids,
Okay.
do you like Briggs' sideburns?
Ah,
He needs to go zzz.
stop.
But he won't cut him.
Made me die.
But he won't cut him. You didn't die, you lost a heart. Hello. Hello.
Dad, kids, look at
You playing your iPad and... Brinny, stop. Brinny, don't hit things, okay? Brinny, look at me.
Down.
No hitting things.
Choo.
Okay?
Choo.
Say okay, Dad.
Kids, look at this one. That one just takes them down. Down with a shoot. Shoot. Shooting everything. Now shoot everything. I'm
Push
shooting
it forward. Push it forward. Push your lever forward. There you go.
Pew. I'm going to get you, waiter guy. I don't like you. Shoot. Who just did that? That's what you. Kids, can I buy this or not? I want to buy it.
Let's see.
What?
Yeah, you can hit that one.
This one? Buy. Did we get it? Wait, we need to do that one too.
Go ahead.
Yay, we got it.
All right, we're gonna bring some bugles. We gotta wrap this one up.
So kids,
He just bought a bullet level and a power up.
yeah. So this is my power-up ship I could use on any level. So, goodbye. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Tell me which video you want next. If you want me to do like a nurse shooting video, I will do that for you. Like to shoot stuff. Okay, kids? So tell me if you want to do that. Because I'm totally going to make a video of that. One time I'm going to make a video of that, kids. So kids, goodbye. Thank you for watching. See ya.